Okay, I replaced the fender on this HHR Chevy, and I had to replace the brackets, so I had to get the brackets with the fender, had to weld those back on here, and also the bracket down here. What that does is support the fender from here on the outside, right in back of the rock molding, and also it supports the fender here on the inside. So those two brackets have to be replaced and welded back in place, and well, just to get this fender off, you have to take out quite a bit. You have to take out the front light, which there is 2 bolts. Here and here. And the funny thing about this light is you have to wiggle it out, maneuver it, or otherwise you can't get this bolt out that sits behind the light, which is connected also to the fender. So it has a tab at the top of the light, which slides up into, I don't know if you can see this, but it slides up into the fender right here, and right here. So these 2 spots is where the light slides into the fender. So you have to pretty much loosen up these 2 bolts, and then you take out the 2 bolts to the light, and then you maneuver the light out from the bottom and slide it down out of the slot. So I'm in the process of putting this back together. Took me maybe about 3 hours, including the welding. The easy part is putting it back together. So I want to thank you guys for watching.